This is the Thor 4 Pro Android 7.1.1 smartwatch with brand new screen technology called LTPS LCD. Look at the angles you can go to and still read the screen. Edge to edge, totally, and a little flat tire on it. It implements the standard Android 7.1.1 OS with all the different things we're used to seeing, including your app drawer and your fitness section. It comes with this 1.6-inch screen and a special band, which is leather on the outside, hybrid TPU on the inside. It uses a Nano Sim and is able to connect in 4G with most of the different countries with some more advanced channels supported by the watch. Again, it's the Thor 4 Pro. Check it out.